all of you. My name is Aayushi. I study in class 3rd in Gurukul Global School. Today I show you a chart of Roman numbers. I make it with matchsticks, handmade. See, this is the chart of my Roman numbers. Let's see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I show you the shapes name in my chart. Star, triangle, semicircle, pentagon, oval, octagon, rectangle, circle, square and rectangle. Now I show you colors. This is white, this is pink, this is light green, this is dark green, this is light blue, this is yellow, this is light green, this is red, this is pink and this is red.